check out this roof over in St. Paul. On this one, I got a call from the homeowner. They were having a leak. We did some tarping on the roof. There's some discovery work on this one. A lot of lifted shingles. A lot of wind damage going on this one. So just lift. So this one has water coming in. We were able to do a emergency tarp on it. Probably gonna get this one completely covered through insurance due to wind and hail damage. This one, if you're in the South St. Paul area and you haven't had your roof inspected before winter, you may want to get it done right away, or otherwise you could experience a leak like this one. Give me a call at 651-703-2336 to set up a free inspection. You can also click in the link in the description below to go to our website and also set up an inspection there.